We got 50% off at Adidas. We are at Adidas factory store out in Camarillo. Is that what they call it? Factory store, Adidas outlet, whatever. We gotta start at the back wall. Got some Puigs right here. What they talking about for the Puigs? 54.97. Get an extra 50 off. So is that $27.50? Ultra Boost right here, 130. So what? $65. That's the gel ones. NMDs. What are they talking about? What are they talking about? No price tag. Ultra Boost right here, kind of the same gel ones. What did they talk about? 105, so that's what, 52.50. 52.50 for Ultra Boost right here. That's what I'm talking about. In my collection video, I heard someone said, "Hey, I'm surprised you don't have that many Ultra Boosts." Yeah, I only have like 3 or 4, I think. That's it. Maybe if I find some more for that cheap, that are my size. 130 for these. So $65 Ultra Boost. That's a hell of a price. Multiple colorways, seen different sizes as well. Is that another size 13? Yeah, another size 13. 4Ds right here. Another one of those as well. 4Ds right here. Was a size 14? Size 13, $100 after the discount. Another size 13. That's our third one of those. Got some of the SL72s right here. These are going for 70. Let's go see what's up with the women's clearance section right here. I see some Ultra Boost 5X. These are the 5X right here. I don't think they're another 50% off though, because usually that's off the red tag. But yeah, these are size 8 right here. So size 7. Because Adidas, there's only one size difference. But yeah, that's $90 or $190. These Stella McCartneys right here, $100. These are size 7.5 women, so $50 for those. That's a hell of a price. Ton of those Stella McCartneys right here. Got a few of the black ones down here. Oh no, these are totally different. No Boost, 130 for these. Okay, these are the black ones, 115. These are size 7s right here. Ultra Boost, go for 180. It looks like they just have a bunch of the Stella McCartneys and the women's, more right there, more on the bottom. Got some Terex right here. And yeah, these are going for $60. That seems like a really good price. Normally $150, an extra 30% off. So that's, or an extra 50% off. That seems like the deal of the day so far. Couple of NMDs, it says. Oh yeah, it looks like they tried to take that off. It is red tag, so $40 for these. That's a hell of a price. Bigger size though. Checking the men's aisles. Damn, they're only offering 30% off. Then only one pair of Ultra Boosts. Got all kinds of generic stuff. What the hell? Do got some Gazelles and stuff like that, but not the prices that we want. Oh, okay, that one is $80, 50% off, but most of them $70, $100. I want to say Nike. I want to say the Adidas outlets just have not been hitting that well, dude. They just haven't. They do have these right here, which is, I think it's a signature shoe or colorway of one of the skaters, which is kind of dope. And they're $60. And they do got the Mad Infinities right here. If these go down even more in price, I don't like the blue. But if they go down more in price, I might have to grab one of these. I'm telling you, remind me of the Kobe 2s, which I do like. $90. We've been seeing some of these at Ross as well. Checking the women's section where they have a bunch of generic stuff. A couple of Ultra Boosts down there, only 30% off retail. And yeah, a bunch of generic stuff, dude. This is pretty disappointing. Adidas outlet been going downhill a little bit. All right, let's go to the next spot, dude. Pro Image Sports right here. And their clearance section has been hitting pretty freaking hard. I've been ignoring it way too long. And I mean ignoring this area because it's far. Not wanting to drive all that here. Got New Era Lakers jacket. These are down to $60. Normally $125. I see large. I see XL. Got G3 brand right here with a pullover. These are going for $45. Got Mitchell & Ness, $60 for Mitchell & Ness windbreaker jacket. All kinds of Lakers stuff on sale. $50 for this New Era pullover. Of course, sizing definitely going to be an issue. Got this large Fanatics women's $30 for the Cowboys. Little Fanatics jersey looking thing. Nike jacket right here, $30. Normally $80, down to $30. Are you serious? Wow. Dodgers Fanatics hoodie going for $40. Raiders women's little crop top hoodie going for $30. Niners pullover right here. Why is that so long? Holy the hell? Long and thin. That's the way they like it, right? What the hell am I even talking about? I think mostly bigger size is $50. What's this jersey right here? What's this jersey right here? Samuel. Oh, Debo jerseys. They're letting them go for $50. I actually would get one of these, but they only have a large, XL. Yeah, they only have large and XL. Dang it. Medium jersey right here. Would I fit a small or do I need a medium? I don't know. Ooh, this is a really nice one. It's like the elite jerseys, 175 down to 50. Really? Oh, I would definitely grab one of these. The only double XLs. Double XL, single XL, no, they do have a large. That's too big though. But yeah, 175 down to 50. And I'm a fan of Debo. I don't care if he left. These are dope. These are dope. But yeah, this one looks kind of budgety, dude. Man, this is a 175 one too. Really? $50. I like this throwback one. This is one from what, 97 or something like that. I like that one the best. This jacket here is really nice. This jacket here is nice and thick. 120 down to $50. This is team apparel too. That's a nicer one. Then they got little AirPod cases, $5 for Steelers right here. Dang, dude. Okay. Headrest cover for $10. Is that like a wristlet? Is this a wristlet technically? I think so. A clear wristlet for games. Normally $27. I think these are down to $10. Yeah, $10. Got AirTags over here. Or AirTag cases. Go for $5. Niners one right here, but I'm not on Team iPhone. I'm more on Team Android. Do you got? Is this for babies? Yeah, this is for babies, for toddlers and infants. It looks like. Yeah, $5. Got a bunch of different teams. Got T-shirts right here, $10. Niners T-shirts. Got Giants, Raiders, Patriots. This is definitely worth the stop, you guys. $10 for these right here. $10. Do I need to do Christmas shopping already? Damn. I have a worker that's a Steelers fan. I think I might have to. I'm gonna start doing Christmas shopping over the summer. That's what I'll do. But yeah, $100 for these. All right, this Niners merch pretty dope, and actually these ain't even that bad. But I'm gonna pass. I need to stop spending money on everything. Yeah, I need to have some more self-restraint. They got all kinds of other jerseys for regular price as well. Definitely worth the stop. Their clearance section really, really nice. Their other selection really nice. But yeah, these are definitely worth a look, you guys. All right, we can see what's up with New Balance. Seems like you get 30% off the back wall here. See what we can find on the back wall. Got some 996s right here. These are just the better version of the 574s, right? 574s. But yeah, these look like super nice quality stuff. Made in the USA. $100, so $70 after discount. We got quite a few. Are these size 10s? No, they got 8.5. They got 10s. They got 8.5 right here. They got 1080s. V13s, 1080s right here. These are 110. So, what is that? Was that $71? $77. $77. I got the stray rats right here, 580s. They've had these. I want to say they've had these forever. But yeah, these are going for $150. You get 30 off. 997s, $90. You get 30 off. Size 11 right here of them 1080s. Size 10.5. So they got multiple sizes. Size 9. Got a size 10 right here. One of my boys asked me for one. Let me check up on that fool. 515s go for $75. 550s right here go for $80. 996s, same one. Got some 574s. These are going for $80 right here. These are 10.5. Got some trail running. God dang, look at that midsole on these. What are these? What are these? Oh, the Fresh Foam X Trail More V3s. $130 for these. We got some of the Fresh Foam 880s right here. Not really seeing too much more. Fresh Foam BBs. Is that their like budget basketball sneaker? Go for $100. Some 480 highs right here. These are 100 as well. All right, I've walked around the store checking out the aisles. Not much in the aisles. Do got a few things worth showing you guys. These are some sort of collab or something. 30% off 110. I don't know, ALD collab. Got some 997s. These are buy 2 items, get 25% off. Doesn't seem like the best deal. Prices ain't too bad though. More 997s. You got plenty of different colorways. I don't think I'm the biggest fan of the 997s. The 2002 Rs. This is definitely the cheapest 998 that I might have ever seen. That is pretty crazy. $70 after the savings. Colors are pretty wild. Material is just A1. That suede. You don't get no better than that suede. Wow. They got more 998s. Then they got 990s right here. That's a pretty solid price, but you have to buy 2 to get 25 off. These green ones here as well. And you got 3 that are just not included in the promo. You got like 515, stuff like that. And the deals aren't even that great. Isn't that retail? Isn't that retail for almost all these? These 515s, price pretty decent on these. Especially with that 30% off. 480 right here. Checking out the women's. And they got a similar colorway of the 1080 V13s right here. And they're the same price. They got those in quite a few different colorways. They might have a better selection than the women's. They got 515s right here. These are 75. You get that 30 off. You got these fuel cell running shoes. I don't know much about the fuel cell. The midsole seems pretty cushiony. 120 for these. They got them in multiple colorways. They got this one. It's unnamed. It doesn't have a name on it. But yeah, these look like the 997s. Oh, the name's right here, 997. There's not usually the names up here. But yeah, $90 for these. 550s right here go for $100. Another colorway right here. These are going for $70. Remember, you do get that extra 30% off everything on the back wall. You got these 7.5. 574s go for $70. That's a bright color. Also got kid sizes here as well. Checking out the aisles. 997s for $70. You get 30 off on top. Oh, in the aisles there's 1080s right here. 110 you get an extra 30 off on top. Wow, definitely did not see that in the men's. 110 right here, which is still not bad because these retail for what, 140, 150 or something like that. White ones. Got some 515s. 237, $60. 30% off, and then they got other colorways. But yeah, these aren't the best deals. Buy 2 get 1 25% off. Let's go hit up one more store. Haven't been to this Lids in a minute. Is it worth coming? Let's go check. We do have an extra 40% off clearance right now, which means of course I gotta check to see if they got any Lakers gear. Dodgers t-shirt right here. I think that's a women's small. $16. Remember, all these prices are before the 40% off. $15 for Mitchell and S Dodger shirt. Got a Kawhi Leonard t-shirt right here. This might fit some of y'all ladies that like to dress a little provocative. $10. So yeah, $6. $16 for Durant t-shirt. Clippers t-shirt right here. $18. PSG jersey. $71. 40 off, that's still not bad. So it looks like most of this is like t-shirts and stuff. They got Dodgers t-shirts right here. A lot of the Dodger stuff definitely worth it. $32 for that one. $42 for this Nike one. Michigan hoodie right here. It looks like a team apparel looking thing. $15? $15? Really? Really? Is this a kid's or something? I don't know. That's hella cheap. Pretty sure that was a kid's. Got Dodgers or got an Aaron Rodgers t-shirt right there. 23. Lakers AD shirts. These should be free. And I don't know what they're going for. I don't know. This one's going for what? 35. Prescott jersey right here. 91. Warriors shirt. This is huge. This is huge. Oh, it's double XL. I thought it was way bigger. XL, double XL, 25 $25. Then another 40% off. No additional sales, but definitely worth checking. $49 for Morant jersey. That's not bad. 63 for this. Who's that? Steve Nash. $63. These are the large and medium. $25 still. $25 for the Petrovic jerseys. You got LeBron jerseys right here. What are we talking about? LeBron jersey. $35. $35. Look at that. Holy cow. $35 LeBron jerseys. Really? They got large. They got extra large. Wow. 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 45 for this Shaq floral jersey right there. Iverson jersey. $94. Luka jersey right here. These are going for, it says 90, but it's marked off, so I don't know. Tentacumpo is going for 90. 63 for that one. Greek Freak, $90. Got the Mike Bibby jerseys right here going for 90. Got more of this look. Oh, got Anthony Davis. These should be like $8. I don't know. Got some more of the floral ones. Got some Kawhi Leonard's. What the Kawhi Leonard's go for? It's $68. 68 for Kawhi's and 30 for LeBron's. Really? Got the LJ jersey right here. These are, I don't know. What does that mean? Yeah, they're all marked like that. But the LeBron jerseys, they got large. They got extra large for $35. Damn, I wish I had the money to just buy a couple for a few people. That's just cheap. That's crazy cheap. I know it's not his current number, but that number's retired too, so maybe last time to buy that number. But yeah, definitely worth stopping by, you guys. Definitely worth stopping by. I got a good selection of other merch as well, including these if you're a Dodger fan. Pretty dope. $28. They got other teams. They got Cowboys. They got USC. They got drink coasters. Right here, is this one coaster? I think that's just two coasters. Two coasters, $22. Fitted hats, 2 for $50. They got some decent deals. But I'm gonna head out.